Hi, my name is Matt Bawler and I'm going to be running one of the seminars this year at the Nursery World Show, all about mental health. Now, what has mental health got to do with early years, you might ask? Well, my answer would be everything. So much of our society still follows the reactive model where we wait until someone has a problem before we then step in and try and help or fix or undo. And what I advocate for is a much more proactive model that goes right back to the start and with early years and looks to support all children in building strong foundations in mental health. And that's not just to provide them with the tools to be able to cope when challenges come, but it's actually to empower them with the skills to be able to thrive well beyond that. So if you would like to know how you go about doing that, come along to my session, and it will be a very practical session where I will teach you some basic concepts and tools that you can take back with you to your classroom and to your children to help them develop those strong foundations.